Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the tabletop cover on your Samsung refrigerator. We'll only need one tool for the job. It'll be a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. For this repair, we recommend unplugging or disconnecting power to the refrigerator. The first thing that we'll need to do is remove the 3 Phillips screws on the top cover. With the screws removed, you'll need to locate these 4 locking clips indicated by the arrows. There's 2 clips per side, one on the front and one on the side. Pry at each of the locations indicated by the arrows, then rotate the cover up. Next, depress the locking clip and disconnect the electrical plug. With the electrical plug disconnected, we can now remove the tabletop cover. If you have a bad tabletop cover and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you search with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. In most cases, the new tabletop cover does not include the reed switches. You'll need to transfer those over to the new part. Next, we'll remove the reed switches by using a small flat blade screwdriver or pry bar to depress the clip on the side with the opening. You can remove each section of the wiring harness by pulling back on the retaining clip and sliding the wire out. With everything disconnected, you can now remove the reed switches. Next, reinstall the reed switches by inserting the switch on the left side, then depressing the right side until it snaps into place. Now, reinsert the wires into the retaining clips by grasping each side of the wire and pushing down. With the reed switches installed, we can now reassemble the tabletop cover. Next, set the cover on top of the refrigerator, then reinstall the electrical plug. Next, fold the cover down, then press down on each side to snap the 4 retaining clips back into place. Now reinstall the 3 screws. Now plug the refrigerator back in and close the doors and reopen them to make sure the lights turn back on. So that's it for this repair. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.